In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set VLC Media Player as default media player here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key in your keyboard, and then that way you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane of that. You can see there are a list of the option. Please locate with this option called apps next to personalization in my case. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to bring up the app settings or here, please proceed with default apps where you can set defaults for file type or link type or for application. So here you'll be able to see two search bar. All you need to do is you need to proceed with the set defaults for application. Next to it, you can see there a search bar. Please type for VLC. Once you've typed it, wait until you'll get that result, which is the VLC Media Player, before we continue. Okay, so I can see it here. Please click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you would be able to see this kind of window where here you can set default file types or link types. So if you would like to set default program as your media player according to this file types here like that 3gp videos, just have to click on this forward arrow key here, and the moment you click in it, you would be able to open is this small window. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and find for VLC Media Player. Okay, you can also choose an app for PC, and in that way you can find for VLC Media Player here. So navigate to your C drive, scroll down, okay, and find for Windows Media Player. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you need to scroll down and find for VLC. Okay, click on the open here, and that way you'll be able to set that one, which is this one. So go with set default. Okay, that way you'll be able to set it as your default. So another way is that you can also find a particular file type here. Let's say, for example, in my case, I would like to set the VLC media player as the default media player in that MP4. And that way, all you need to do is you need to click on this forward arrow key here. Okay, and there you can see this one. Okay, so please choose that one. Okay, go with set default, and that way you'll be able to set it to your default. You can also click on this forward arrow key here, and then you need to scroll down. Proceed with this choose an app on your PC. And from that, you just have to navigate to the location where your specific application has been placed to. Let's say, for example, it is being placed here at this Windows Media Player. Just select it, double tap, okay, and find the VLC Media Player here. Click on open, and that way you will be able to set that one. Okay. So that's it. If you are done, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.